What is finance? Finance is the management of money and other assets. It involves activities such as investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving, and forecasting. Finance is broadly categorized into three main areas. Personal finance deals with managing individual or household financial decisions. It includes budgeting, saving, investing, retirement planning, and tax management. Corporate finance focuses on how businesses manage their finances, including raising capital, investing in business operations, and managing risk to maximize shareholder value. Public finance involves government financial activities, such as taxation, government spending, budgeting, and debt issuance. It's aimed at managing public funds and ensuring efficient use of resources for economic stability and growth. Finance helps individuals, businesses, and governments allocate resources over time and manage risks to achieve their financial goals. Key concepts in finance include interest rates, inflation, investments, capital markets, and financial instruments like stocks, bonds, and derivatives.